Hello and welcome back to Jilly's Nails, where we're doing a double dip giveaway and review of their mystery boxes that they have monthly. Now these liquids are not included in the mystery boxes, but you do need them to use this product, or you need monomer and acrylic to do this. There's a lot of items in here. I had 4 bonus items, 3 powders, and swatch sticks for the powders. They're all included in the mystery box, which is pretty cool. This is 100% a mystery, y'all, and mine is the middle-sized one, so you really don't know what you're going to get until you get them. I wanted to check it out. I did get some floral stickers included in mine, and I think they're really pretty. They're soft. They were sweet. This I ordered in January, and I'll tell you the story here in a minute. There's a story, let me tell you. So the first 2 colors that come have names. We have rose petals and fireworks. Then you get a mystery color that is brilliantly, I can't talk, titled as a mystery color. We're going to go ahead and swatch these, and while I'm swatching fireworks, I'm going to tell you the little story here. So I ordered this back in December, and I ordered a mystery box and several new release colors that they had, because I was going to swatch them for y'all, super excited, blah blah. And somebody stole them out of my freaking mailbox at Christmas because they're jackasses. And I'm sorry, that's just how I feel. I cannot stand a thief. I hate thieves. Can't stand them. They piss me off to my very core. Sorry, I know it's hostile. That's probably the most hostile y'all have ever heard me, but I really get that angry about thieves. I can't stand them. Get a job. Stop stealing. Anyway, so they stole it. Well, what I did not realize was that the mystery box shipped in a specific time frame. So they had not shipped my mystery box yet. Well, I needed the order. I wanted to do videos, so I replaced it with as much as I could, but I was not able to replace all the colors that they stole, that they were new releases. So I was very ticked off about this. But the bonus side is I've got an extra mystery box just like this one. The mystery color is a little different, but I didn't swatch it because it's going to be a surprise for you. And the first color in here is fireworks. Now, this was supposed to be the January box, so I get why they put it out this kind of year. I feel like it was a little more of a 4th of July type color, though. It has this tiny, tiny glitter silver base, as you can see here, and then red and blue chunkier glitters in it. It's really pretty, and I like it. I do wish the gray glitter in the background was a little more filling. I felt like there were still a few gaps in there that we could have filled in. Rose petals. Now, I'm not sure why they named this one rose petals. To me, all I see are apples. Like, it screams apples to me. This screams fall to me, but I do get it's very delicate and tender. It's beautiful. Just to me, I see apples because I think it's because it's got these red chunky glitters in it. And if you look to the right of this little container, you can see that chunky glitter on the table. That one kind of turns between a yellow and a green. So as you rotate your fingers around, you're getting kind of like a duochrome effect. And it pops in these red and greens. It's so pretty, but I don't know why. Okay, all I think is like in the Wizard of Oz used to come on in the September every year where I live, and all the windows to the house would be open, the doors would be open, fresh cool air coming through, and we would all watch Wizard of Oz. And for some reason, I feel like this matches that vibe. I don't know why. That's just in my soul. That's what I see with this, and I love it. I love this color. It would be beautiful encased in an acrylic nail. It's stunning. And then mystery color, adaptly named the mystery color. The color that I feel like, and I'm going to be 100% honest here, if it's a mystery, it should wow me and it should knock my socks off. And it should be the best mystery color so that every month, all I want is that surprise mystery color. And I got a milk bath white. I'm going to say it again. I got a milk bath white. There's nothing wrong with milk bath white, but I'm not wowed by it. It doesn't make me want the boxes more because I got a milk bath white for a mystery color. The one in the other box is not a white, but it also did not knock my socks off. I'm just saying, there's nothing wrong with it. The product works fine. It's lovely and it's adorable and it works great. But just in my head, from a marketing perspective, like as a consumer, if you want me to come back and keep buying these mystery boxes where I am really taking a risk on whether or not I'm going to get something that I do or don't like, no preview, nothing. This is what you get, and that's cool. It's a mystery box. That's awesome. I get the concept and I'm totally fine with that. But I want you to knock my socks off with the mystery color. Like rose petal should have been the mystery color to me, and then I would have been way more excited. I know it seems weird, but that's the truth. Now my other 3 bonus items were these glitters. They're very floofy and poofy and like to fly everywhere, so I'm not taking the lid off. The one on the right has a little more orange, the one in the middle's got some purple in it, and the one to the left is very hollow. But they are floofy and fly, and so I did not open these, and I'm not swatching them, sorry. So for firework, definitely 4 out of 5 stars. I really liked it. I do wish the background micro glitters were a little bit thicker. This one I love. I can't rave about it enough. I love that color. It's gorgeous. And this one, there's nothing wrong with it, but it's a milk bath white. I mean, you can see right there. It's milk bath white. Eh. Okay, so here's how you enter. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment and tell me if you've ever dipped before, if it's new for you. If you have dipped, tell me if you've tried double dip. And also make sure that you're on your YouTube account so that it will register your name so that when I post it, I'll be able to tag you and let you know that you won. I am opening this internationally as well. I will ship the extra box out of my own pocket if you can get double dip to send the liquids to your country, because that's the other thing I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you a starter kit of all 4. It's 4 or 5 liquids. I think it's 4 for double dip. Oh yeah, it's 4 because it has a top coat too. So I will send you the liquids as long as double dip ships to your country, because frankly, I'm not going to mess with trying to send liquids internationally. The post office here is very pissy about that, and I'm not going to fight with them. So if double dip will ship to your country, fantastic. If they won't, you probably don't want to do this unless you just want the powders, and I will send those to you. So if you have any questions, drop them below. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. All of those things get you registered in. I'm so excited for the winner, and you will have 1 week. So 1 week from today, I will announce the winner on my community tab. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.